Hey, hello everybody. It's Lance from JR Jeep again. Hope you're all doing well. We're getting a touch of spring here, finally, for a change. It's been in the 70s a couple days, although we are getting a lot of rain. But that's to go with spring, I guess. So, in between other things, I've been trying to catch up on stuff I wanted to do over the winter, which I couldn't because of the weather. And one of those things today was to address the issue with my seatbelt on the passenger side. Ever since I installed my new seats in the Jeep, the passenger side harness hasn't worked. And I've actually taken apart the mechanism and looked at and could not find anything wrong. And I was being a bit perturbed by this and just wondering what the heck happened, because I tried to do everything in order that it should have been to have that installed correctly. Well, in looking today, I went in and I noticed one thing that I thought, oh, well, I'll just put it right. The retainer for my Jeep, for the seatbelt, which goes on the far side, basically on the outside of the Jeep towards the passenger side, I noted there's a little tab there. It's a metal bracket that there's a L-shaped tab that comes out that literally was facing out. And I knew that was supposed to be facing in. I must have put it in wrong, just in the heat in the moment. And I thought, well, let's get this addressed. So this is what I did today. And in doing so, corrected the problem. So what I'm talking about is this bracket here. So this is a T50 Torx bolt. When I was looking at it this morning, there's a tab on here that was actually facing out, a little metal tab. And I thought, well, I should put that right so it isn't out anymore. And I just took the T50 out, reversed it, and lo and behold, I had seatbelts again. So I don't know what it was that did that, but it corrected the problem. So something to be aware of if you're running into an issue. That might just very well be the issue. So hope this quick tip helps. Till next time, give a thumbs up to the video if you enjoyed this, and consider subscribing to the station. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.